Good morning. So today we will learn about GitHub and how to have a project that you've already worked in Visual Studio Basic, how to upload that into a repository in GitHub. So to do that, you will first need a project that you're working on or project that you started. So let's look at my project. Let's right click and then scroll down to open in default browser. And this is what my project looks like. It's an about page with a home page. Okay, so now, we're gonna go to terminal up here and then new terminal and select the project you're working on. Once you're in that project, then you're gonna start by going to your GitHub, and in that GitHub you will need to add a new repository. So let's add a repository here. Repository name, let's do Ziva, that's the website that I'm building. Let's do Ziva. Okay. Description. Okay, and you can either do a public or a private repo. Let's do a public repo just so that you can see what it is looking like. Once you're done with that part, then do create repository. Okay, so now these are the steps that you will need. Majority of the time, just follow these and you should be good. If you have any issues, then we can always come back, but most of the time this does work. So in order to use Git, then you'd have to download Git. I will post the website in the description below. So download Git from here, depending on which client version you are. If you're Windows, Mac, this one I'm going to be posting for Windows. Okay, so once you're there, then you want to use the first command, git init. This initiates the GitHub repository that you're going to be working in. So let's go to our here. Okay, so git init. Okay, and then start initializing Git repository. That's good. And then after you do git init, then you can do git status. Git status will tell you what files and folders are available to be added into that repository. Okay. So you see these are the files and folders. So you could do one by one. So you could, if you just want to add one file, then let's do git add, and then you can do readme. So okay, the way I typed R and then did tab. Tab will get you whatever the repository knows is a known file in that subfolder. Okay, so similarly, let's say I wanted to add index. So I can do I tab or tab again, and then now you get index. So tab is going to be a very useful shortcut for you. All right, let's do read add, and that's going to add it added the readme text into the subfolder. But if you want to add everything, then you can do git add, and then period will add all the things into that repository, into the, I guess, not repository yet, because we haven't yet committed and we haven't yet pushed it. This is just going to make a batch of what needs to be added. It's not going to add it yet. Okay. After we do that, we're going to do git commit. So let's look at the folder again. So git add, this is what we just did. We did a period here, the period is going to add all the things that are in that folder. Now we're doing git commit. And this is just for your reference as to what you committed. So you can do starting first batch or files or file name, something that will help you remember that this is what you added when you added. Git commit. Okay. Okay, so we committed. And then go back to, and this is going to be showing us where we want to commit what repository. So git remote add, you're adding to this site. This is going to be the site that our repository is under. Copy that and paste it. With Windows, it's easy to paste. So you just copy it from wherever you need it to, and then right-click on the mouse. Yeah, and then type enter. After that, you can do git push, and let's see if it works. Let's do git push main. So something's going on. Let me try to figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna try git branch and then main. So we're creating a main branch. After we do the main branch, let's see what next we do. After the main branch, then I'm gonna see if this would work. Let's see. Okay, so it did work. So what I missed out was to create the main branch. So this is the step that I forgot. But yeah, just go one by one through this, and let me just give an overview of what each thing does. Git init initializes the repository. Git add will add whatever files or folders you want to add to be added to that repository. Git commit will be initializing, these are the things that I want to push to that folder. So it makes it like a batch, and you're telling it save, push it into this batch using this. I guess it's a way for you to know what you pushed when you pushed. And then git branch is creating a branch so that you know what branch you uploaded something onto. Git remote add, it tells Git what repository to use. And then git push is pushing everything to that repository. All right, so the main things after you first initialize is going to be git add, what new things you're adding, and then the branch you want to add it to, and then you pushing it. The pushing would be the last step where you got everything ready and everything's set to go, and then you push it onto that repository. Okay, now let's go to my GitHub and see if it did upload. All right, let's. So we are here. Let's refresh this page. Okay, see? So the repository was empty a few seconds ago, and now we uploaded, and it shows our commit. So I named the commit as Ziva draft 1. So this is what it's showing. It's showing that it was uploaded 5 minutes ago, and these are the things that are in there. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. I will try my best to help. you figure things out. Thank you.